Welcome back to our exploration of the fascinating world of home design. Today, we're delving into the intricacies of normal house front elevation designs, unlocking the secrets behind those eye-catching facades that define the charm of Indian-style homes. The Visual Symphony. Understanding front elevation designs. So, what exactly is a normal house front elevation design? Picture this. It's like a sneak peek into the soul of a house, showcasing its personality and style from a specific angle. These architectural drawings are more than just blueprints. They're the visual storytellers of a project in progress. In the context of Indian homes, front elevation designs play a pivotal role in enhancing both the aesthetic appeal and commercial value of a property. The art and science of Indian house front design. Crafting a normal house front elevation design for an Indian home is no small feat. It's a meticulous process that involves a dance between creativity and practicality. Considerations for location and climate take center stage in this architectural performance. It's not just about creating a visually pleasing facade. It's about ensuring the house is in harmony with its surroundings. Let there be light, sunshine in design. One of the key elements in the playbook of normal house front elevation designs is the strategic use of sunlight. The design isn't just about walls and windows. It's about orchestrating the flow of sunlight to illuminate the interiors. A well-planned elevation doesn't just create a visually appealing exterior. It ensures that the interiors are bathed in natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Temperature tango. Balancing act in design. But wait, there's more. Normal house front elevation designs aren't just about aesthetics. They're about efficiency too. The layout and design elements are strategically arranged to control the building's temperature. It's like a carefully choreographed dance that keeps the house cool in the scorching heat and warm when the winter chill sets in, all while keeping energy consumption in check. Elevation extravaganza. Types that steal the show. Now let's talk about the stars of the show. The elevation types that steal the spotlight. From contemporary chic to traditional elegance, there's a myriad of styles to choose from. Whether it's a minimalist marvel or a grandiose masterpiece, the front elevation sets the tone for the entire architectural ensemble. As we wrap up this journey into the world of normal house front elevation designs, remember that each line and curve tells a story. It's not just about designing a house. It's about crafting a home that resonates with its inhabitants and the environment. If you're dreaming of your own dream abode, take inspiration from these elevation designs. They're more than just drawings. They're the blueprints of dreams. Truly increase a building's worth. The planning and construction must extend to all four sides of the house. In the intricate dance of architecture, the house front design in Indian style takes center stage, requiring thoughtful planning and precision. Style speaks volumes, unveiling your architectural identity. Now, before you dive into the world of front elevation designs, ask yourself a crucial question. What's your style? Are you a lover of cultural nuances, drawn to the charm of vernacular designs? Or perhaps you're a modern architectural enthusiast, yearning for the sleek lines and contemporary feel that define the present era. Ultra-modern glass elegance. A visual marvel. Let's kick off our exploration with a design that's as bold as it is beautiful. The ultra-modern glass normal house front elevation design. If you're on the hunt for something stylish and elegant, this design is your golden ticket. Picture your home adorned with expansive glass panels, not only providing a rich and sophisticated appearance, but also infusing a touch of ultra-modern allure. It's a seamless blend of style and nature, where the transparency of glass becomes a canvas for the beauty of the surrounding environment. Vernacular charm. Embracing cultural roots. For the cultural vultures among us, the charm of vernacular designs beckons. These house front design Indian styles pay homage to tradition while embracing the modern era. Imagine a front elevation adorned with intricate details, traditional motifs, and a warm color palette that echoes the cultural heritage of India. It's a journey through time, where every element tells a story of craftsmanship and legacy. Contemporary chic, sleek lines, and urban vibes. On the flip side, If you're a modern architectural enthusiast, the allure of contemporary chic awaits. Clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and urban vibes define this house front design Indian style. Picture a facade that exudes sophistication through simplicity, creating a visual statement that resonates with the spirit of the present. We explore the captivating world of house front elevation designs, tailored for the grandeur of a double-floor house. Brace yourselves for a visual journey that showcases the seamless marriage of elegance and functionality in the realm of architectural design. Rising above, the double-floor marvel. A double-floor house is not just a structure. It's a testament to vertical living, a canvas waiting to be adorned with a front elevation that mirrors the aspirations of its inhabitants. The challenge: crafting a design that harmonizes the simplicity of a single-floor house with the added allure of a second story. Let's dive into an exemplary front elevation that effortlessly achieves this delicate balance. Features that soar: a symphony in design. Our spotlight design begins with a small parking space nestled in the front, a practical touch that speaks volumes about convenience. As we ascend, the first-floor balcony beckons, a charming invitation to savor the surrounding views and bask in the warmth of the outdoors. The balcony, adorned with a slanting roof, becomes a distinctive feature, blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. Upward aspirations: the second-floor spectacle. The piece de resistance of this double-floor elevation is, of course, the second floor. As we ascend the architectural narrative, the second story unfolds, revealing a canvas of possibilities. Whether it's the addition of extra bedrooms, a cozy study nook, or an entertainment haven, the second floor opens up a realm of opportunities for personalization and expansion. Illuminating ambience. Ceiling lights that dance. What sets this front elevation apart is the attention to detail, especially when it comes to lighting. Imagine the facade illuminated by carefully placed ceiling lights, a dance of brightness against the canvas of the building. These lights not only add a touch of sophistication, but also extend a warm invitation, making the double-floor house a beacon of elegance, even after the sun sets. Balancing act: a marriage of form and function. The true beauty of this front elevation design lies in its ability to strike a harmonious balance between form and function. It seamlessly combines the practicality of a parking space, the leisurely charm of a balcony, the architectural intrigue of a slanting roof, and the illuminating magic of ceiling lights. Each element plays its part in creating a visual symphony that elevates the entire structure. Personal touch: tailoring the design to your dreams. As you embark on the journey of designing a double-floor house, let this front elevation be your muse. It's not just a design. It's an inspiration for personalization. Whether you envision a garden on the balcony, a cozy reading nook by the ceiling-lit window, or a vibrant color palette that reflects your personality, the canvas is yours to paint. I hope you like these designs. Thank you for watching my video.